Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm covering Supra price prediction. This is one of my favorite token. I love this project. The guy who running this project had a lot of experience. I love this guy. When he smile is very fabulous one, and when he talk about it in a very serious way. Yeah, I'm going to build this Oracle. What? Oracle? Yeah, you want to just take over the Oracle, Chainlink or Laravel? I'm not saying like that, but it's just similar like that, you can say. But mining, also Oracle activity. Oracle basically fetch the data, verify the data on chain, blockchain, or in a decentralized manner, or sometimes they're supporting a centralized activity as well. Most of the people didn't recognize this token, and most of the people thinking it's falling from the cliff, and now it's just hanging around at the bottom. It measures around 0.0014 or 15 something is penny size, and the thing, yeah, it's almost dumped almost 20x or 10x down, more down. So what happened in an upcoming month in a Supra? They just inbuilt this technology in auto compounding in a mining activity, or also in Oracle activity. Just think about it. Laravel, why so famous? Why is Oracle company so famous? Due to the providing a service to the investor and holder. But this is real data they work on, the real entity, just like a names, put a name right there, your identity right there. All these things are encrypted. Also they work on AI, and that's why is Oracle company pumping so hard. But in a decentralized manner, I couldn't find any kind of project those who giving some kind of compounding yield to their investor and holder. This company which I'm talking about is Supra, giving auto compounding feature, which is massive and huge. I never see that kind of thing before, because I see that some people doing this thing manually and paying a high amount of gas fees. High amount of gas fees they're paying for each transaction when they do auto compounding manually, and they lose almost $1,000 or $500 or $60 something. So it's way expensive in Ethereum. Do all this thing manually. But in Supra, you don't have to do anything right there. It's auto compounding, automatic function is right there. Just a source code is already mentioned on the GitHub. You can see and check out what exactly I'm talking about it. But if you see the roadmap, if you see the white paper, they clearly mention, yes, I'm going to build this technology for the user and also for the Oracle, also for the AI. And AI is not an over here, because AI just trying to evolve these technology to fetch more and more information and provide a correct way. Because recently when the AI boom is incoming, so a lot of people say, yeah, this is on the all-time high in the peak. AI is just trying to capture all those things, but it should need to be modified. It should need to be upgraded, self-upgraded system they require, with the new ability, and there's a new interface with the new we talk about the investor fulfill requirement. They want to update it automatically. So these things, do this thing manually is way costly and way expensive. It's hard to run that kind of businesses. But in Supra, they did this thing very smoothly. Everything is on chain, so you can see that all the transaction on chain. So that means you don't have to rely on any kind of third party to give me some information about how they modify all this thing. You can track all this activity on Supra scan, just like an Ether scan you see on Ethereum network, or just like a Bitcoin network, you see that, where you track all the activity. Same thing happened with the Supra right now. So one of my favorite is the Supra, just because the compounding yield and also automify, and best part is the CEO is very good experience he have it, not a shady one, just like other investor have some kind of a not good record. If you see the Supra owner, he have a hell lot of experience, good reputations, and that's why people believing. And no matter the price fall crazy, and I'm totally say it's good one. But one more thing I want to share with you guys. Some people just bought all-time high. I totally understand that to go grab the all-time high and losing a chunk of money. And if they're doing a DCA, not go for the one way, go for the two way. The two way is very good options where you just save a ultimate amount of money doing some kind of DCA. So buying the dip, doing some kind of DCA, compounding the features, and also the AI agents will be there to modify all the upgrades automatically. And that's why I love this project. So massive amount of yield, you will get it. And I recommend anyone, not recommend anyone, but I'm saying, yeah, if you go with the compounding one, so basically compounding feature some kind of flaws on it, which we call rug pull, and the source code or the provider of the EL, they're doing some kind of shady thing, just like a scam one. So stay away from these all shit scams, and just go with the normal and simple way where you just need to just grab and put it on the safe wallet, put it in a safe exchange, or not one exchange. I'm talking about the multiple exchange. You can put it right there, and very few exchange supporting this one because this is a new one, a new technology. No one talking about it, but I'm the guy who's just talking about it. So, and I believe the next upcoming upgrade and feature is incoming. And one more token is Quantum. I'm focused on the Quantum right now because the Quantum just dealing with the hard fork of the Bitcoin with the new source code they just inbuilt on their own blockchain, and they're also supporting a Pactra. So I'm quite impressive with the Quant right now, Quantum Q2UM. So I'm waiting for some kind of more research on it. Once I get the research, so I will let you know about it. So alright guys, this is all about Supra and Q2M Quantum. Just a little bit of information I want to give you, and once I'm done, I give you the video where I just mention about what exactly I'm talking about in Quant. Alright guys, this is all about Supra information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Smash the like, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and see you next video folks.